Is it time to buy or sell TC Biopharm Holdings PLC stock? In this video, we will explore TC Biopharm Holdings PLC in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2024, our system has identified TC Biopharm Holdings PLC as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.39. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 71.94% since we first categorized TC Biopharm Holdings PLC as a buy candidate 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.43% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $7.36 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 195.21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 11.12% to 202.97%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 39.59% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 88.06% and 41.89%. This translates to a price range between 86 cents and $10.17 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for TC Biopharm Holding PLC features the headline, "Significant movements in TC Biopharm PLC stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 26.01% between high and low." On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, the TC Biopharm PLC stock price decreased by 1.51%, moving from $7.28 to $7.17. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 26.01%, reaching a low of $6.65 and a high of $8.38. While the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 53.53% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, aligning with the stock's decline, which is generally viewed as a positive indicator since volume should correspond with stock movement. On that day, trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, with a total of 351,000 shares traded for approximately $2.52 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $9.43, while the lowest price reached 14 cents. Currently, the stock price stands 23.97%, or $2.26, below the 52-week high, and 25.39%, or $2.44, beneath the all-time high recorded on the 13th of January, 2023, when the price peaked at $9.61. TC Biopharm recently announced the dosing of 5 new patients in its Achieve Phase 2b trial, bringing the total to 6 patients treated at a higher dose level. This is a positive development for the company, signaling the advancement of their gamma-delta T-cell therapies and potentially boosting investor confidence in the stock. Additionally, TC Biopharm completed an upsized public offering of $6 million, providing the company with essential capital to continue its clinical advancements and operations. This influx of capital could support long-term growth prospects, facilitating further research and development. Furthermore, the company has secured a European patent for the use of modified gamma-delta cells in cancer treatment. This enhances its intellectual property portfolio and creates a competitive edge in the market. The granting of this patent serves as a positive catalyst, potentially attracting more investors interested in the biotech sector. On the compliance front, TC Biopharm has regained adherence to NASDAQ listing rules, reinforcing its financial stability and maintaining shareholder confidence. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased stock volatility as investors react to the positive news. Long-term implications appear brighter as successful trial results and robust funding can pave the way for significant advancements in treatment options and potential revenue growth. Overall, the current trajectory seems promising for TC Biopharm, underpinned by clinical progress and strategic financial management. Analysts have assigned TC Biopharm Holdings plc stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio, both receiving a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for TC Biopharm Holdings plc. The stock of TC Biopharm Holdings plc displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there is anticipated support at $5.29 and $3.06. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.51%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 23 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TC Biopharm Holding plc. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.57. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened, as a decline below this support could lead to a significant drop in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Furthermore, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.73 between its high and low points, representing a change of 26.01%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 51.71%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for TC Biopharm Holdings plc, let's briefly examine some key fundamental data. To start, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price with its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios might suggest inadequate profits and could imply risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TC Biopharm Holdings plc. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TC Biopharm Holdings plc is at $7.28. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TC Biopharm Holdings plc encounters its first support level at $5.57. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for TC Biopharm Holding plc from various analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on the 30th of November, 2022, when Randall Diana Elizabeth purchased 70,000 shares of Series B warrants. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.92, reflecting a decline of 3.46%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a high level of risk. Notably, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 22 days ago. Is TC Biopharm Holdings plc stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable possibility for TC Biopharm Holdings plc stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of September, we anticipate TC Biopharm Holdings plc to open at 23 cents and begin trading at $7.40. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.